Getting a good night's sleep is like finding the Holy Grail, except instead of battling nights, we battle back pain. It's a tough opponent, but with the right mattress, we can conquer it. We're here to guide you through the mattress maze and find the perfect one that will put your back pain to bed once and for all. No more wrestling with mattresses that are too soft or too hard, because we've got the inside scoop on the best mattresses for back pain. Get ready to snooze like a pro and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Linenspa 8-inch Memory Foam. Our pick for best budget mattress for back pain. Looking for a sleep surface that's softer than a baby's bottom but won't break the bank? Look no further, because the medium level of support is calling your name. Introducing the Linenspa, the perfect middle ground for those who want a little give without sacrificing comfort. This bad boy combines memory foam and inner springs to give you the ultimate sleeping experience. It conforms to your body like a contouring masterpiece, but don't worry, it won't leave you feeling like a rigid robot, and the perks don't stop there. This mattress is lighter than a feather on a diet. The queen size weighs in at a mere 74 pounds, making it a breeze to move, set up, and clean. No more breaking your back just trying to rotate your mattress. But wait, there's more. With a layer of memory foam on top, this mattress provides all the pressure-relieving goodness you expect from memory foam without sacrificing that beloved traditional mattress feel. And did we mention the price? This bad boy won't break the bank, so you can sleep soundly knowing you made a smart investment. So go ahead, dive into dreamland with the Linenspa Memory Foam and Innerspring Hybrid Mattress. Your body and your wallet will thank you. Number 4. Casper Sleepwave. Our pick for best hybrid mattress for back pain. Introducing the Casper Wave Hybrid, the mattress that takes sleep to a whole new level of coolness and support. If you're tired of waking up drenched in sweat and feeling like a human sauna, this is the mattress for you. And hey, it's perfect for all you restless sleepers out there too. Not only does the Casper Wave Hybrid have 3 layers of heavenly support, but it also has some seriously cool cooling technology. We're talking 2 layers of perforated foam, sandwiched between a breathable top layer of foam and gel. But it's not just the cooling magic that makes this mattress so amazing. The ergonomic design is like the Michelangelo of mattresses, molding to the shape of your body with thoughtfully placed zones that'll have your morning stiffness saying, "See you later, suckers." With 5 layers of responsive foam and coils, the Casper Wave Hybrid is a sleep masterpiece. It keeps motion transfer to a minimum, so you and your partner can dance in dreamland without disturbing each other. Plus, it keeps your hips and spine perfectly aligned, even if you have arthritis or joint pain. So if you're ready to upgrade your sleep experience to a whole new level of coolness and support, the Casper Wave Hybrid is calling your name. Still searching for the perfect mattress for back pain? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Purple Restore Mattress. Our pick for best mattress for side sleepers with back pain. Get ready to experience the perfect fusion of support and comfort with the Purple Restore Hybrid. Say goodbye to neck pain and hello to dreamy sleep with its cradling design that keeps side sleepers in proper alignment and relieves tension in the neck. This mattress is a game changer when it comes to support. The hybrid coils in the base provide just the right amount of support for your body, while the gel grid adds a layer of heavenly cushioning to relieve pressure points. And let's not forget about its responsiveness. It's so bouncy that you can toss and turn all night without disturbing your sleeping partner. Temperature regulation is a breeze with the breathable and lightweight cover. The 2 inches of Purple's patented Gel Flex grid embedded in the top layer create a custom cushion that conforms to your body, releases pressure, and prevents annoying hotspots. But here's the real star of the show, the gel and foam layer that feels like luxury. It's soft in all the right places, while being firm enough to keep your spine in check. From night one, this mattress easily conformed to our bodies, providing ample support without feeling too strict. It's the perfect blend of relief, temperature control, and responsiveness. So, go ahead, give your body the comfort it deserves, and experience the Purple Restore Hybrid for yourself. Your neck and spine will thank you. Number 2. Saatva Classic Mattress. Our pick for best mattress for back pain for most people. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to the best sleep of your life with the Saatva Classic. This mattress is not messing around when it comes to customizability. With 3 firmness levels and 2 depth levels, you can create your dream bed that feels like it was made just for you. It's like having a personal sleep stylist. But don't just take our word for it. Over 1,000 5-star reviews rave about how the Saatva Classic has banished their back pain like a superhero. Seriously, this mattress has some serious spine-saving powers. And let's talk about that lumbar zone technology. Approved by the Congress of Chiropractic State Associations, this mattress is like having a chiropractor right in your bedroom. And here's the best part. No heavy lifting required. With free white glove delivery, you can sit back and relax while the Saatva Classic magically appears on your bed. No more struggling to move that beast of a mattress. It's a game changer for all you back pain warriors out there. Sure, prices have gone up a bit, thanks inflation, but trust us, the Saatva Classic is worth every penny. And if you snag one during a sale, it's like finding a unicorn that also grants you an amazing night's sleep. So go ahead, treat yourself to the luxury you deserve. Your back will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Casper Sleep Nova Hybrid Mattress. Our pick for best mattress for back pain overall. Get ready to sleep like never before with the Casper Nova Hybrid. This magical mattress is perfect for all you side sleepers out there, and it's a dream come true for anyone dealing with persistent back pain. It's like a heavenly combination of comfort and support, wrapped up in one luxurious package. The Casper Nova Hybrid is a true marvel of design. It's got the best of both worlds with its plush sleep surface and the added support of springs. So, whether you like to sink into your mattress or prefer a little extra bounce, this bad boy has got you covered. But that's not all! This mattress is like a secret weapon against back pain. With its inner spring coils and body-conforming foam, it's like getting a personal massage every night. And thanks to the cooling foam layer, you can say goodbye to those sweaty nights. Trust us, your body temperature will stay constant and cool throughout the night, so you can sleep like a baby. Now, we should warn you, the Casper Nova Hybrid is a bit of a splurge. But hey, you can't put a price on a good night's sleep, right? And while it's not as firm as some other mattresses, it's way more supportive than an all-foam option. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to sweet dreams with the Casper Nova Hybrid. Your body will thank you. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best mattresses for back pain. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which mattress for back pain you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.